Hi guys, in this video I will show you a trick to animate your menu and operation of the wallpaper. The trick is hide in your system. You need to go to system, about the phone, and put the 5 times bold number version. I have already development. You're gonna see here the 1 2 3 5, and voila, we're gonna go to your development option. Go here and search for option. Its names Windows animation transition and animation duration scale. As you see, you're gonna try the version 10 is the slowest, and 0.5 is the fastest one. So I'm gonna choose the slowest to show you how to look like. No, this is, you're gonna be sure to do what you as you see it's it's very slow. Anyway, you see, this is the slowest version of animation. It's pretty cool to try this option. Let's gonna see on the fastest one animation. Let's gonna turn it off. Go, and as you see, it's instant. I gonna hit the and a menu is gonna show for me at least on this side. So try this exercises and do the option as you wish is for you is the best. Anyway, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey.